Hi everyone, let's make whole wheat bread recipe. First we will take Pro-Nature Organics 2 tablespoons sugar in a container with water. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of yeast and let it sit. Now we'll add whole wheat flour 2 cups in a separate container. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it well. Now we will combine it with our liquid mixture. Mix it properly. Add some sunflower oil and give it a toss. Now we'll top it off some oils and let it sit for few hours. Now your dough is fluffy. Make it a proper dough and then make it small balls. Put them into a greased pan. Microwave it for 30 minutes and voila, it's done. Ready to serve with some butter and jam as you like in the winters now.